Hey, Chris Sargent here. We're going to do part two of creating our parameter-driven reports in an Access database. So the next thing we want to do is we want to create a form. And we're just going to create one in a design view. And then the first thing we want to do, I'm just going to kind of make this a little bit smaller because we're not going to use much of it. And I am going to add two items. I'm going to add a combo box, and then I'm going to select my items from the table states, and I want the state name. And you don't necessarily have to do this. It's going to automatically sort the state names. It's just kind of my little habit of doing that. I'm not going to worry about my label. You could change the label if you want there, but I just want the combo box. And for some coding we're going to add in a little bit later, I'm going to change my combo box to CBO states. Well, it kind of represents what the type of data we'll have in there in the data source. The other item we're going to add in, but we're not going to do any coding with it. We're going to go ahead and add our button, but we're going to cancel that because we're going to custom code that. And I'm going to name this CMD, or you can name it, if you want to go Visual Basic, you name it BTN, which is common for Visual Basic, and we can say states. And then caption, I'll say display states report. Okay, then common naming convention for forms, FRM, and I'm going to call it states. You see the table, it's TBL states. And for now, just kind of do our form, and there you have a list of states. So we have our form good to go. So next piece we're going to use is we're going to create the query.